California Mastitis Test, commonly known as the CMT, is a simple and rapid cow-side test that is used to detect subclinical mastitis by estimating the somatic cell count in milk. Before collecting milk, proper hygiene practices must be observed to prevent contamination. Therefore, begin by thoroughly washing your hands with clean water and soap. Proper hand hygiene helps maintain sample quality and reduces the risk of contamination during the testing procedure. Also, ensure the CMT paddle is clean and free from any dirt and milk residue, as contaminants may affect the test results. Begin by stripping a small amount of milk from each udder quarter into the corresponding sections of the CMT paddle. After collecting the milk, add an equal amount of CMT reagent to each section containing the milk. So we are adding an equal amount of the reagent as the milk that you stripped. Then, gently swirl the paddle in a circular motion for approximately 5 seconds. This allows the reagent to react with the somatic cells present in the milk. The first sample shows no visible thickening or gel formation, and the mixture remains smooth and liquid. This is interpreted as a negative result, indicating a low somatic cell count and suggesting that the udder quarter is healthy and free from mastitis. We sampled another cow, and in this case, the mixture becomes thicker and forms a gel-like consistency. This is a positive result. The gel formation indicates a high somatic cell count, which suggests inflammation of the mammary gland and the presence of mastitis. The materials required for a CMT test include the CMT paddle and the CMT reagent. In summary, a negative CMT result remains fluid and uniform after mixing, while a positive result shows thickening or gel formation. The California Mastitis Test is a valuable screening tool for the early detection of subclinical mastitis, allowing for timely intervention and improved udder health management.